This is the Quonset hut system. It's got gutters on 3 sides, and these gutters are the ones that may accumulate some leaves just because of how close they are. So basically, anytime a storm is predicted, I recommend that you have somebody blow these gutters out, or if you have a maintenance guy that comes through, just do it whenever. This is the wet system. It runs down underground. It comes up through this 3-inch pipe and into this 6-inch first flush device. There's a ball in here, and it'll lock the sediment into the first flush device. This is designed to be mostly watertight, and I do that because people tend to forget these. But basically, you want this to drain out between rains. So you kind of set it to drip out. And if you forget about it, it kind of defeats the purpose of the first flush device. And this is the utility pump. It's inside the tank. You plug this in, it goes up into there. And the water comes out here. So with these, it's important that you not plug the pump in with this cap on. That'll burn the pump out pretty quick. It's also important that you not forget to put this back on. This 1.5-inch pipe is your overflow, and I put a cap on this. This is a tank level gauge. In general, you want to leave this in the closed position. To open it, you twist it to the left. It's got water. It will come up to the level of the tank. Now, I really recommend you leave this closed because coyotes have been known to eat through this, and then you lose water in the tank. So leave this closed. When you want to check the water gauge, water level, turn it on. This is a gravity spigot, so you can just drain the tanks with gravity. So all your systems are the same. They all have the same features. They have the same first flush device and the same utility pump, same overflow, same spigot. So as far as maintenance, I build multiple ways to clean these things out. So you see these rubber couplers here. You can take these apart. You can take this pipe out. You can take this pipe off. You can flush the whole system out. If you were to loosen these 2 screws, then the bottom of this first flush device, the whole thing will lift out of there and you can dump it out. So that should maybe be done once a year. The first flush devices get cleaned out. And the only maintenance I can think of aside from that is after a few years, it's not a terrible idea to throw a couple mosquito fish in the top of the tanks, just because there's just no way to completely seal a tank. I get everything super tight, and at the same time you've got a vented lid on the top of this thing. So that's about it, and I will upload this to YouTube. We appreciate your business.